Hello students, Standard First, Subject English. I, Mrs. Lata Shinde. In this video, we will learn about subject English. Our topic is counting stars. Children, what can you see in the picture? She is a girl. You can see a picture of a girl. Yes or no? A girl. She has a green color shirt and blue color skirt. She has long hairs. Its color is brown. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a father and a daughter. So, you know always daughters are very close to father. In your house also, your daughter or your sisters are very close to your father. So you can see in the picture also father and daughter. What can you see in the picture? Yes, it is a picture of a moon. When do you see the moon in the sky? Yes, at night. Every day the moon is in the circle shape? No. It changes the shape. Yes or no? Now, tell me what comes to your mind when you see this picture. Yes, it shows that this is a night time. This is a night time. What else you can see? Yes, you can see the sky, stars. Yes or no? Everywhere you can see on the ground there is dark. So it is a picture of a sky. Now what can you see here? Yes, you can see the stars. Stars are so many. Yes or no? It twinkles in the sky. Some stars twinkle and some do not twinkle at night. You have the poem also. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes or no? So, this picture is of a stars. Let us see the new words. First word is dark. D-A-R-K, dark. Second word, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Third word, sky. S-K-Y, sky. Fourth word, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Now, we will see our lesson. The name of the lesson is Counting Stars. I will read the lesson. You all have to follow the line with me. It is at night. It is dark. Nidhi and her family are at home. Nidhi is standing outside the house. She is talking to her father. Then the moon rises. Father, how many moons are there in the sky? Asked Nidhi. Look at the sky. How many moons do you see? Asked her father. Now children, here is a conversation between Nidhi and her family. Obviously you all have understood. Now we can see the stars at night when it is dark. So Nidhi is out of her house. She is standing with her father, and when the moon rising or when the moon is appearing in the sky, she is asking to her father that how many moons he can see. That time Nidhi's father tell, look at the sky and you only tell me that how many moons are there. Children, we all know there is only one moon. Yes or no? Let us see. Nidhi look up at the sky. She sees one moon. She is looking for another moon. Father, I see one moon, says Nidhi. Yes, there is only one moon in the sky. There are many stars, says her father. Nidhi, look at the moon and the stars. They are shining bright. Now, Nidhi comes to know that only one moon is there. She was searching for another moon, but she cannot find it. So she agrees with her father and she says that, Father, there is only one moon, but there are many stars. She says that thing to her father, and her father tells, yes, look at the moon as well as the stars. They are shining so brightly. Children, you all also sometimes when you go some open place, like especially when you are having time and when you look at the sky, you see there are so many stars. Yes or no? Some of the stars are twinkling, some of the stars are not twinkling, some of the stars are stable. Yes or no? Sometimes you can see the stars are falling down also. Yes or no? So the sky is very beautiful at night. If you observe carefully, you can see so many things, and it is not possible to count the stars. Okay children, it is not possible to count the stars because they are so many. So we cannot count the stars. Okay, we can only see them, how they are beautiful. Okay, now let's make sentences. Now children, just now we have seen the lesson. Now there are some words which are there in the lesson and we have to frame the sentences for it. So the first word is dark. What do you mean by dark? You all know. Yes or no? So we will frame a sentence. Yes, I like dark colors. So simple. Yes or no? Second, stars. We can see stars at night. You are in first standard, so you can frame small sentence, no problem. Okay. Sky. What we can frame for sky? Let's see. Yes, I fly my kite in the sky. Okay. Now let's see the fourth one. Bright. Raj is bright student in the class. Okay. So you all have understood how to frame the sentences. Let's complete the following. In this, you have to write the correct word from the lesson. First is Nidhi and her family are at dash. Now can you think and tell me what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is home. Second one, Nidhi looks at the moon and the, what was the Nidhi looking carefully with the moon? What she has seen? Can you guess it? Yes, stars. Third one, Nidhi is standing dash of the house. Now we all know where she was standing. Outside. She was standing outside. So let us read the complete the following again. First one, Nidhi and her family are at home. Second one, Nidhi looks at moon and the stars. Third one, Nidhi is standing outside of the house. Okay, now let's see the next one is the opposites. First one is inside. So what will be the opposite word of the inside? Can you think? Outside. Very good. Up. What can you think? Up opposite word? Down. Yes or no? One. Many. Okay. So let us read the opposites. Inside, outside. Up, down. One, many. So these are the opposites words. Okay. Let us see your homework. Homework. Answer the following questions. With whom Nidhi is talking to? And answer is Nidhi is talking to her father. Second one, how many moons are there in the sky? Answer, there is only one moon in the sky. Next one, activity. Draw the following pictures. Stars, moon, sky, sun. So children, you have to draw this following picture in your notebook and color them. Thank you.